Hello and welcome to this video introducing HVAC Solution software. This is the first of a 4-part video set demonstrating how HVAC Solution and Hvac can be used in concert to take HVAC design from concept to completion. Let's get started. You are looking at HVAC Solution software design interface. HVAC Solution is a graphical drag-and-drop systems design software. Using it, a designer can drag a boiler onto the screen just like this. Opening the properties of the boiler, it can be seen that engineering intelligence is built right in. Here we see load, temperature, and flow information, for example. Once the boiler is placed on the screen, we need to insert a load. The next step is to connect the load to the boiler and form a system. Outlets are connected to inlets, and inlets are connected to outlets. Now let's enter a load. Once the load data is entered, you'll notice that the pipe takes on a different color, indicating data is passing. That is, the boiler sees the load, and the load sees the boiler. The next step is to add a pump. Because the pump is in the pipe, it knows its place in the world and it starts to size itself. Next, we hit the equipment selection button. The program automatically provides a pump selection. Next, we insert pipe sizes and other components as necessary to finish out the design. Now that we have a simple system design, we save it to a file. Saving the file also saves out equipment information in schedule format. Here we see the schedule. The pump is scheduled that was previously selected. These schedules are then linked with Hvac, which will be demonstrated in a later video. The schematic itself can also be linked with Hvac. This is a small project, but the concept also applies to large projects. This is a schematic for a hospital designed, constructed, and currently in operation. The next step will be to link HVAC Solution and Hvac. This concludes this introductory video to HVAC Solution. Thanks for watching.